Laser cutting is a form of subtractive machining that allows for highly accurate cuts. In this process, a laser beam is focused through a small lens and nozzle apparatus in order to cut through a given workpiece. The cutting area is cooled by a pressurized gas jet at the nozzle in order to prevent unintended damage to the workpiece.
Laser cutting is a very versatile form of machining. This process can be used on many different types of materials, including various types of metals, plastics, and even sheets of paper. Laser cutting can be used to cut materials of a maximum thickness of 5/8 of an inch, with no limitation on the minimum thickness.
One advantage of laser cutting is that it allows for high precision. This precision allows for clean cuts and reduces the amount of burrs and edges on the workpiece. In addition, the laser beam doesn't wear during the process of laser cutting, therefore enhancing the durability of the beam compared to most other cutting tools. Laser cutting also allows the cutting of complex shapes at higher speeds than most other cutting techniques.
One disadvantage to laser cutting is that it demands high energy and power consumption compared to other machining techniques. Also, laser cutting plastic components can be a safety risk, as when exposed to heat, plastic emits gases that can be toxic to humans. This can be mediated by performing laser cutting on plastics in a very well ventilated room under close supervision. Combustion of some materials can also occur if the temperature and laser distances are not properly set. Finally, laser cutting cannot be used on all metals, including copper and aluminum, or on particularly thick slabs of metal.
Laser cutting is effective because of its superior edge finish, intricacy, low maintenance, and scalability. Currently, CO2 lasers are the most commonly used ones. They have high accuracy and are easily controlled, but they are only applicable for non-metallic materials. Fiber lasers are being developed and improved because they are much more powerful and require the same amount of electrical output. As technology advances, laser cutting will become more efficient and cost-effective, allowing manufacturers to select the type of laser best suited for each product and provide better, faster results.